So students, now exercise 1.1 is over. So we will go for chapter 1 integers, exercise 1.2. Okay. Now the first question, write a pair of integers whose sum is minus 3. That means sum means addition. So if you add two integers, the sum should be minus 3. They have told a pair of integers, haven't told whether it is positive or negative integer. Now minus 1 plus minus 2 will give you two negative signs, it is minus 3. So the pair is minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, put the pair within the bracket. Otherwise you can say 0. 0 is again an integer plus minus 3. What is it? It is minus 3. So 0 and minus 3. Same way you can form many sets of integers whose sum is minus 3. Now next question is difference is 4. That means you have to subtract and the difference should be 4. So minus 8 minus minus 12. If two negative signs are nearby, then it becomes positive, or else it is subtraction is same as adding the additive. Additive inverse of minus 12 is 12. Now one is negative integer, another is positive, so it is 12 minus 8, 4, and put the sign of the greater one, that is 4 itself. So you got the difference, so minus 8 and minus 12. This is the pair. Okay. Now next, write a pair of negative integers whose difference is minus 5. That means negative integers both should be and difference should be 5. Okay, so we had to find two negative integers. Now it is minus 6 if I am taking, and minus 1. Both are negative integers. Difference means minus. So again it is equal to minus 6 plus 1. You got it as minus 5. Here difference is minus 5. Okay. So you got the answer. So what is the pair? Minus 6 minus 1. Okay. Now next set can be, suppose I am taking minus 10. So minus 10 minus minus 5. What will be that? Minus 10 plus 5. That is equal to minus 5. So the next pair is minus 10 minus 5. Same way you can make. First pair is minus 6 minus 1. Second is minus 10 minus 5. So you can make many such pairs. Okay. Now the next question is, you have to write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. You have to have a negative and a positive integer. So difference should be minus 3. So if I am taking minus 1, it is a negative integer, then minus 2. What is it? Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. So answer is minus 3. So which is that pair? Minus 1 and 2. You are having a negative integer and a positive integer, and whose difference is minus 3. Now we'll go for the next question. Write two integers which are smaller than minus 5 but difference is greater than minus 5. That means you have to have two integers which are smaller than minus 6. So both will be negative. So you are having both negative integers and whose difference should be greater than minus 5. So suppose if I take minus 10 and minus 7. Both are smaller than minus 5. Okay. Now find the difference. Minus 10 minus minus 7. What is it? Minus 10 plus 7. That is minus 3. Where minus 3 is greater than minus 5. So my pair is minus 10 minus 7. Okay, first pair. If you want, you can have the next one as minus 8 minus minus 6. So minus 8 is less than, and this minus 6 is also less than 5. Minus 8 plus 6, that is minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 5. So the pair is minus 8 minus 6. So you can take, here I got first pair, here I got second pair, any pairs. Now the next question is, in a quiz, A scored minus 30, 20, 0. B scored 20, 0, minus 30 in 3 rounds. Who scored more? So A scored minus 30 plus 20 plus 0. You add up. 20 plus 0 is 20. So minus 30 plus 20 will be minus 10. Now what is the score of B? B scored 20 plus 0 plus minus 30. So 20 plus 0 is 20. 20 minus 30, that is minus 10. So A score is minus 10. B score is minus 10. That means A score is equal to B score. Both are equal. So who scored more? No, both are equal. Can we add integers in any order? Yes. You have studied A plus B equal to B plus A. That is commutative property. Yes. Okay, commutative property. Now the next question is, find the sum of integers. So many integers are given. So you have to find sum. That is all the positive integers together. 237 plus 84 plus 72, then plus minus 72 minus 184 plus minus 37. So here I have got 3 negative integers and 3 positive integers. It's easy, like plus 72 and minus 72 cancels up. Now here these two, if you add up, it is minus 100. Then these two, that is, you can club it. 237 minus 1, that is plus 200. What is it? 200 minus 100 is 100. Put the sign of the greater, that is plus. So sum is equal to 100. Okay. Now exercise 1.2 is complete. Whichever questions left out, you can do at home. Okay. Thank you.